Okay. So now we will see another function associated with array module, that is split. Now, in earlier example, we have searched only that whether a space is there in this given string. Okay, and if it is a first backslash s, so it is giving you the position also. Now, if we are trying to split the given string wherever the white space is present, if your aim is to do that, then you can use split function. So read dot split, within bracket, within parenthesis, you are writing which object it will find, and it will split from there. So backslash s and then the txt. Okay, that is the string. You can print the x. If you do that, you are getting that the rain in Spain, all these four words are in a list. So that means those are separated by white space. So that's why you are getting this result. That is easy. Now you can control the number of occurrence of these characters by specifying the max split parameter also. Now suppose you don't want to get all the splitted parts. You only want say the first one. Okay, first occurrence. So then you can specify one after the text. So exact same command, but you are specifying that how many split there will be. So that is the number, and if you run this, you are getting that. So one split is there using this backslash s. So you are getting two words, actually two parts, that is the and rain in Spain. You can check the difference between these two output. Okay, now you can change this one with two, so then you are getting three part. If you are trying to change it three, so again you are getting back the same result. So by this way you can control how many split do you want in your output. Okay, so that depends on your uh, what is your aim on that thing. So these are the functionalities associated with this array module. Okay, there is another function, that is sub. Sub functions replaces the matches with text of your choice. Now the syntax are almost same. You can see that. So suppose you are trying to find out this space, and you want to uh, modify, you want to change these spaces with 9. Okay, randomly you are taking one example only. Now if you run this with sub function, what we are getting, we are getting this output. So every spaces are replaced with this 9. You know, many times in during the bioinformatics job, you need to do that to overcome some problem. Okay, suppose you are getting two list. One is suppose enzyme, and with space some site. Okay, now there is a white space by default. uh, Now you want to join this thing for any purpose with some other, what I say, other values like 1, 2, 3 or anything. So then this kind of small codes might be useful, where you can replace these spaces with that particular word or with that particular number. Okay, so using this syntax. So whatever you put there, that will be printed. Suppose restriction site. This is what you want to place over there. So every time this restriction site word is incorporated here. Okay. So actually you are modifying the whole thing with some other words, other pattern. Okay. Next, this match object method, what we have discussed above also. Now, this match object method actually uh, having three parts. One is span, one is string, and one is group. So you can utilize those also, those components also. Suppose you are writing the same example with how many words, how, and these words are there in this string. So you are using this exact same string. Then you are trying to get the span of these matches and this group matches dot group and matches the string. So if you are running this code, what you are getting, that it is showing you the first position, first how, that is 0 2 3 0 1 2 3. So the position, the span is showing 0 to 3. How this word is grouped here, and this matches the string means which string you have passed here. So you are getting this. Okay. So this is the example how you can part by part you can collect the data from this variable matches. Okay. So one more example. Now again we are using the search, but here we have used uh, another regular expression pattern. What is that? So we have used backslash b, then capital S, then backslash w, then plus. Now, if you go back to that list, you will find that backslash b, it returns a match if the specified characters are present at the beginning or the end of the string. This backslash small b. Then backslash s return a match if the starting does not contain any white character. Okay, so that is backslash s. That is different. Here we are searching. No, don't ignore this line because we are not searching backslash s here. We are searching s character, right? That is uppercase s. So we have written that here. And then we are writing backslash w. What is backslash w means? Backslash w returns a match if the string contains any word or character. So after capital S, backslash w means any word is present or not. Okay. Say for example, if you are searching for any digit, so you can write backslash d, which signifies that you are searching for digit. So here you are searching for word, so you are writing backslash w. And this plus means multiple words can be possible there. This plus symbol. Okay. Now if you print x, so first we will print x. So it is saying that span. Okay. So it is at the end of this string. So it is searching for this span, and it is also searching for the other words associated with span, and that is also included because your pattern suggests that all these things will be returned. So are within double quotes this pattern. Okay. So all the things is returned. Now and you can take out this span region also by using print x dot span if you are interested to get the index only. So you can do that using x dot span. Okay. Similarly, you can write print x dot match. Okay. Uh, what- okay. So it has no attribute match. So what is the attribute? How do you know that? Uh, uh, help match or help read or search. Okay. So pattern, string, flag. Senses are not equal to some scan through string method pattern. Okay. So only it is showing. So by this way you can search for the help file. Okay, it is inbuilt. So you can search the inbuilt help file for this kind of pattern matching. Now this is showing how you can use the search pattern dot search option, array dot search option. So it is showing that you can pass pattern, string, and flag 0. So pattern and string you have already passed here in this example. This is pattern and that is string. Okay. Now here, what is the word? How you can collect the match? That was what was the use of this? How you can collect this match? Uh, okay. So if you use group x dot group, so then you are getting this return value, that is pay. Okay. So these are the example how you can collect different parts from your given string with the pattern. Now, if you are interested to get this spa only, okay, so then what you can do? How you can modify this thing? Okay, one clue I am giving for that. Suppose you are not using this plus, okay, only you are using backslash w. And if you run, now check what you are getting. Are you following? What is the difference between the earlier one and this one? I have not used the plus symbol here, and for that I am not getting the Spain word, but I am only getting SP, right? So that defines that we are using using capital S. For that, this S is there, and for this backslash W, the P is there. Only the first P has been taken, right? This much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is, what you will do if you are trying to get this SPA up to this? So how do you modify your uh, regular expression pattern? Any clue? Anyone?
We have to write SPA in the match.
SPA. So you are writing, you will write here SPA directly, right?
Not here in the input function where we input.
Where we input means this one, text.
No, sir. In the I don't know.
Okay. So this is the string given. You cannot change this string. Okay. That is first point. And second point is you need to construct this type of regular expression pattern to extract or to match the exact thing which is there in this text file. So that is your job. Now, if you are writing this with capital S, so it is giving you this SP only. Now, it is very easy. If you are writing \w again, so it will catch the two words, two letters after S. So you are getting this SPA, right? You can take another word using this. So you are getting this output. Instead of that, you can do plus symbol. You can use plus symbol. Then all the words associated with capital S that will be printed. So that's why you are getting Spain. Okay. So that is the logic. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another example is given. Same example. Quickly, I am telling that. Suppose find out the DNS string which starts with capital C, and the string is given like this. So this is for finding out data box, and now you can modify your this very code, this code with C, capital C, right? And if you run this, you will get which starts from capital C. This part will be given. You can see that CGC is given if you are using this pattern. So these are the examples uh, of regular expression. Some examples.
Sir, if there are any multiple words starting with C, then what will be the outcome?
Multiple words means
If there are any other word with CAC or
so
CAT,
C,
like
A, C, T, all these things.
yes.
So no problem. That will be taken as a whole part, because you have not modified that whether you are trying to extract only CGC or only CACT or only CCACT, that you have not modified and you have not restricted. So you have just taken any word which will start with C. Okay. So it will take all these things at a time. So you can check that it is taking all these things
If there is a space, any space,
here.
yes.
Yes. So what do you think? What will happen? So when it will go with this position, there will be no word. So it will stop there, right? So it will print CGC only. Got it?
Okay.
And then if you are trying to modify that, okay, I will check for CA. So then it will go for this and it will print CACT. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today's time is over. We'll meet tomorrow again.